I'm going to open this banana. So I'm starting up here.
What can you say to Nana?
Thank you, Nana. What's in here?
What's in there?
What's this said?
It said from Nana to Mommy Snooky. I'm gonna go get the scissors for Briana.
Okay.
Yay! What is it
I
inside?
don't know.
You don't know? What can you say to Nana?
Thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana. There you go. Give to Brianna, Steve.
Okay.
That's much better.
Thank you, Steve. Finish?
Okay, I need to make a big hole. Hey, watch out, Mom. I need to cut it more. Make a big.
Bigger now. Let me see. Help you.
No.
Yay!
A package.
Wanna help?
No, I do it.
You do it?
Yeah. 'Cause I can open it myself. No, I not need help, Steven.
Oh, wow. Wow, what is this? Oh. Go get the ano. Scissor.
I know.
Okay.
I know, Steven.
I know.
Steven. While we open it.
I know. What is this? What is that? Wow.
Wow.
Wow. What is that? Wow. You like it? You like it? Yay, a mermaid tail. Wow. What can you say to Nana?
Thank you, Nana.
You love it?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Ah,
Now what's in the next one?
what is the next one? Oh, they got card here. You need to read the card. Open the card. Oh, what is it? Oh, said, there's no key. I do hope Briana liked the mermaid tail. It should keep her warm. All my love to you all. Mom, Nana. Oh, say thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana. Now I want to open the next one.
No, that's my other. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
So yeah, this is my mom anyway, guys. She made this one, my mother-in-law. She made this mermaid tail. So I sent her some wool and a pattern, and this is what she do. It's beautiful. And
Let's
it's,
see what I can do.
yeah, make you warm. Yeah. Bunny, bunny. Don't jumping.
I can't see you.
You can see me. I see you.
See my finger?
Okay. Bye, guys.